Write the write the mechanism of alkylation of benzene. Alkylation of benzene. When benzene reacts with alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3. AlCl3 is aluminum chloride. You are getting alkyl benzene. You are getting alkyl benzene. What is this one? Alkyl benzene. Here AlCl3 is used as a catalyst. Okay, right. So let us see the mechanism here. Initially, aluminum chloride reacts with alkyl halide or X. X is more electronegative. That's why it takes electron. It will become negative charge, and R will become R means alkyl will become positive. So that is what called positive. If R is positive means what do you say that one? Alkyl carbo cation. Okay. Next, this carbocation will attack on the benzene ring. So here pi bond is there, pi bond will shift here. It is gaining electron minus, this is plus and all. So alkyl will attack here. So positive charge will be stabilized by resonance. Now what happens finally? This hydrogen will go like H plus ion and this bond is going to shift here. So the single bond is becoming here, single bond is becoming double bond. So a double bond is there. So positive charge will go off and this H plus ion further again reacts with X minus ion, halide ion, and will give you HX. Finally, AlCl3 is a catalyst here. Right. Next, what is Huckel rule or Huckel number? 4n plus 2 electrons, pi electrons is called Huckel number. Simple. N value is here, n equals 0, 1, 2. If n equals to 0, 2 pi electrons. If n equals to 1, 6 pi electrons. If n equals to 2, 10 pi electrons. 2, 6, 10 electrons and so on electrons are called Huckel number. Next, what is column chromatography? You see here column chromatography. Now let us see about the column chromatography here. In column chromatography, you are going to take a column which is called beaker. So, sorry, it is burette. It is a burette we are going to take. In this burette, you are going to fill first the glass wool here. Here you are going to keep a glass wool and an absorbent you are going to put over here. That is stationary phase. Stationary, which is not movable. Not movable, which is not movable. And there is an organic compound here, some organic compound that is called mixture. Mixture contains how many? A, B, C. Three components are there. And finally, you are going to add a solvent. Solvent can be water, solvent can be alcohol, solvent can be acetone, etc. So we are going to pour the solvent from this area and so what happened? This solvent will come along with this compounds and all. It will go down due to the gravity. It comes down. It falls down and all. So these components A, B, C components will be separated according to its absorption capacity. The more the absorption quickly will be absorbed here, the less the absorption it will be absorbed slowly. A having more absorption capacity and B, C having less absorption capacity, and they are separated like this A, B, C with some color and all. This is what called column chromatography. Next. Next, let us see the next question. Explain the mechanism of addition of bromine to propene. Okay, this is propene CH3 CH2 double bond here. So addition of bromine, simple propene. So when bromine is attacking in presence of what? Peroxides H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. The bromine will attack on the least stable carbocation. Here this is primary carbocation, this is secondary carbocation, this is also primary carbocation. So how many are there here? The most stable carbocation is secondary, but here in presence of peroxides, bromine will attack on the less stable carbocation, that is primary. This is secondary. Primary is less stable, secondary is more stable. So the hydrogen will attack on the other carbon. Next, this is FAR. FAR means free radical addition reaction. Addition reaction. Addition reaction. It follows anti-Mark rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule. Bromine attacks on less stable carbocation, and it will give you one bromopropane. So this is one first carbon. This is second carbon. This is a third carbon. Okay, write the structures of cis and trans. What is cis? Cis means same side. Trans means opposite side. Let us see here. Cis of beauty 2. Bute number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. In at the second position there is a double bond under. Now methyl groups are at the same side. That is why it is called cis. If the methyl groups are on the opposite direction, it is called trans. Okay. Go to the next question. Okay. Now, numericals are there. Answer any four of the following. Each carries 3 marks. Okay. Each carries 3 marks. Okay. 3 or 4 marks, I think so. Okay. Next.